Tesla, falling oil prices in China, GM and ride sharing, selling your home in days, and much more. Today is January 29th, 2016, and I'm Dan Doherty with Dashbot News. In recent car news, Elon Musk says falling oil prices will hurt the electric vehicle industry, but the best way to lead consumers away from gas options is to build a better product. He believes that product differentiation places Tesla in a better position than its competitors. Tesla is also seeking a Chinese production partner. Today, Tesla faces a high import duty tax, and they are not eligible for incentives. Once they move to local production, the high penalty will be eliminated. They will manufacture cars both in the US and in China. GM has acquired the assets of Sidecar for an undisclosed amount. The Uber competitor shut down last year, and GM also announced a $500 million strategic investment in Lyft. GM is going hard into the ride-sharing economy and has launched a ride-sharing subsidiary called Maven, which is a service that allows drivers to access their Chevy Volt hybrid and Spark electric vehicles with their smartphone. Very similar to Car2Go, rentals will start at around $6 per hour. Parking reservation startup ParkWiz, which allows you to find and book a parking spot, has acquired their competitor Best Parking. ParkWiz now claims 800,000 parking spaces in 4,000 lots across 50 U.S. cities. Kid-centric ride-hailing app Hop, Skip, Drive has raised $10.2 million. The app allows parents to pre-book rides with vetted drivers that have to take a 15-step verification process. Parents can use it to take kids to school, sporting events, and more. In real estate news, our good friend Eric Wu, the CEO and co-founder of Opendoor, a service that is trying to make selling real estate much more liquid, similar to the stock market, by making you an offer on your home within 3 minutes using comparative market algorithms. And in job news, recruiting software startup Lever raised $20 million in a Series B round. They provide applicant tracking, sourcing, and social tools for HR professionals. Some of their clients include Lyft, Reddit, Eventbrite, Netflix, and Yelp. They have raised $33 million to date. And that is the Dash Report for this week. I'm Dan Doherty with Dashbot News. See you next week.